First thing you want to do is when you set up your balancer is see what it considers as balanced, because your ground might not be level or whatever. So you see that bubble is pretty much in the middle there. Next thing you want to do is get your wheel and tire clean. If there's any chunks of dirt on it, those will throw off the balance. Like mine had big clumps of mud stuck on the tread, so obviously that would throw off the balance big time. So you can see there's the bead in the middle, and it looks like we need a little bit of weight right over here. This is the weight that fell off. I wonder if we put that on there, it looks like it's closer to balanced, but it still needs just a bit more weight in that zone right there to be totally balanced. We're still a little light on this side. So that's perfect. That's not. Clean off the underside of the wheel in here and stick the weights on there. A little more professional looking balance. Lacquer thinner stick and clean off and degrease anything that's in the way. The weights I'm using, just like chocolate bars. So it looks like it's going to take that many dang weights to balance. What I'm going to do is start with half of them. See what that does. So I'm looking for those to stay in balance. You can see it is perfectly balanced right now with that plus the ones I stuck on the inside. And you see when you move it, it will go back to balanced. It won't bounce around. So it's not just a false balance, it's actually balanced. So that one is done. So doing your own tire is hypothetically possible, probably not ideal, but I don't know what it costs and how much trouble it is for you to go find a tire store near you and wait in line or sit there while they do it. For me, it's kind of a pain in the butt. I'd much rather wrestle with this myself and not be waiting in the waiting room of the tire shop.